Company Close-Up.
The first place a person goes when they're sick is to see the doctor. But when we come to the hospital, there's a variety of machines and equipments. So what's the most common thing that we see? It's the stethoscope. Recently, there's a lot of stethoscopes out in the market. In particular, the Jabez from GS Technology is leading its pack with its outstanding functions.
With a stethoscope, doctors can listen to the internal sounds of the body from various organs to diagnose patients. As the ears to doctors, the stethoscope has changed to what you see today. It can be connected to a computer for advanced functions. The human body is made up of bones, muscles, and various organs, such as the heart and the lungs. These organs are constantly at work. Although not so apparent to the human ears all the time, they make sounds as they do their job. The job of a stethoscope is to amplify these sounds so that they are loud and clear enough for analysis. The digital stethoscope Jabez is made of silicone material so that it provides good contact with the ears and reduces unwanted noises. Digital stethoscopes operate on batteries. The control buttons allow the different modes of operation, and the volume can be adjusted using the volume control.
일반 청진기랑 그렇게 달라 보이진 않은데요.
예.
이거에 대한 특징 얘기해 주세요.
예, 야베스 장학 청진기는 일반 청진기에 비하여 약 20배 정도의 증폭음을 가지고 있습니다. 또한 이 청진기는 보시는 바와 같이 베알 모드, 다이아프람 모드, 와이드밴드 모드로서 디지털 필터를 이용하여 3개의 구분 모드를 가지고 있습니다. 그래서 폐 소리, 그리고 심장 소리, 기타 장기의 소리를 선택하여 명확하게 들을 수가 있습니다.
한번 들어봐도 될까요?
예.
와, 진짜 되게 클리어하게 들리네요.
예, 그렇습니다.
근데 컴퓨터를 연결할 때는 이런 것도 말고 다른 특징이 뭔가 또 있지 않을까요?
컴퓨터의 큰 장점 중에 하나가 저장의 기능이 있습니다. 저장의 기능을 최한도로 극대화시켜서 그래프로 저장을 시키고 혈압이나 맥박, 혈당과 같은 데이터를 저장할 수 있게 되어 있습니다.
The program provides the heart and the lung sounds from a healthy person as well as data on patients with different illnesses to use as reference for comparisons. There is comprehensive information of different types of ailments and diseases to help with diagnosis. With the visual data provided, comparisons can be made between the examples and the patients being diagnosed. Such helpful functions have resulted in the Jabez stethoscope receiving various certifications and the CE mark.
Jabez has a remarkable sound transmitting ability where you can use even when you're dressed. This is very good for females who are a little shy or have a lot of scars in their body that don't want to show others. And let me check the sound of my own heartbeat. I can hear it really clearly. It's racing pretty fast. If you see in the computer, it saves in the computer so you can send it to the doctor. Without going to the doctor, you can know the status of your own health, which is very good.
One of the most useful features of the Jabez stethoscope is its data storage ability. The diagnosis can be stored and transmitted for record. This also means that long-distance consultation is possible with doctors via computers.
혈압이 지금 평상시 높은데 정기적으로 이제 병원에 가기 힘들고 이제 사무실이나 집에서 이렇게 청진기 가지고 체크해서 이메일로 의사님한테 이제 보내서 이제 유용하게 쓰고 있습니다.
You can save your data through sound or wave through the computer. For that, you must first install your file and then register through the computer.
To install the program, insert the CD into the computer and the program will install itself. All you need to do is enter your personal details.
Okay, so I've just registered myself. Doing all this, you can keep track of your weight, your body temperature, and all your sicknesses that you've had so far.
There was a time when diagnosis was just based on dialogue. With the advent of stethoscopes, consultations with doctors have started to become more accurate. And now the stethoscope has evolved one step more. The digital stethoscope not only provides much more detailed data, but the patients can now observe the results together to better understand their physical conditions.
예, 아주 좋습니다. 이 환자의 진찰 소견을 환자와 같이 공유할 수 있고 그 파형을 즉시 컴퓨터에 기록 저장해서 병의 경과 관찰이 가능합니다. 또 질환별 참조 파형과 비교를 해보면 병의 진단에도 상당한 도움이 됩니다.
Once you lose your good health, it takes a lot of time and effort to gain it back. So needless to say, health is very important. There are many ways to stay healthy though, but with Jabez, it will keep you healthy for a very long time.